Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a combined vlog of around 2 to 3 days. So I started off with the weekend, and we were invited for a Halloween brunch. So we started off at around 1 in the afternoon, and since it was a weekend, so the no traffic, not much traffic was there on the road. And then it took around 30 minutes for us to reach the destination. So here we are at the destination, and lots of families were present there, so they always celebrating Halloween. And this is a beautiful place out there in Dubai, and it's near Old Dubai. So it's the area is Al Seef. The restaurant was Scafos, all beautifully lit up for the Halloween celebration. So here we are at the restaurant. It has a beautiful scenic view and the blue water, so all were looking very nice and beautiful. And it was little breezy also out there, so we enjoyed a brunch and had a lovely time there. The restaurant is located at a very beautiful location. Here I am with my fruit platter, and these are the things which were there in the buffet. So there were corns, chicken grill, lamb grill, and all. So this was a sweet counter. And then after that, it was the main course. They were serving pastas and pizzas, and many other options were there. Basically, it was all about Halloween, and also we enjoyed a lunch there. Had chicken wings, so they were very light, crispy, and it was delicious. We enjoyed it with mojitos, and the mojito was also a special blend of 4 5 fruits. All they did was for the Halloween ones. After that, we enjoyed a lovely walk out there in the Al Seef area. And then we also went for the boat ride. Actually, this is a very nice place if you want to hang and chill out with your friends or family, as the winter days are approaching. So the weather is getting very pleasant out there in Dubai, so this is the only time you enjoy it to the fullest. Rest of the months you are just inside sitting there in the AC, so it's little boring. But these are the months you could actually enjoy. So I was enjoying this boat ride with the waves of water coming and the beautiful sun out there smiling at us. So it was a very beautiful day for us, very soothing, very calm. We actually get a break from the week's work, and it deliberately freshes up your mind. And then we were just having fun chit chat and all around it. So I was capturing all these, so it looks good when you look it after some time. That same evening we went for a early dinner also, invited by the second of our friends. After, we also enjoyed so many dishes there. So it was sushis and all, paneer, chicken, everything, pasta. And this is the day after the previous one. So we headed for an event which was done in Dubai. So the event's name was Bathak. So it was organized in a hotel. I'm sorry, I'm not remembering the name of it. So this was also a very nice, soothing event, and the crowd was also very good, and the singer was very nice. The singer was Amir Mir, who came for the performance, and it was a very lit up performance. So had a lovely and great evening out there. And so after this is the vlog of the third day. I went for some grocery shopping, because you need to run your errands in and out in between a week, or if you do it at a frequency of 10 days or 15 days, it totally depends on you. So I was running there, here and there, looking for all the things. So I just love to go and shop in Lulu, because you get varieties of fruits, vegetables, and the quality of the Lulu is top notch. It cannot be met with any other superstore out there. So I was looking for some sandwiches also. Everything I usually buy it from here. So it takes time, but then also it is refreshing for you, relaxing for you, so that you get each of your things at your own hand. So I literally enjoy grocery shopping also. Here I'm looking for the things. Usually I used to hop around for once or twice, and then I usually select my items whichever I need to buy. This is also a very good way. First I get the idea of all the things in and out displayed there. After that I literally shop for the things and pick my best things which I need, or if there are offers or any of it. So I usually shop like this. So this was it. Thanks for watching.